Let's make $1,000 in affiliate commissions per sale. This guy here on YouTube is very smart. He made a video about 5 mind-blowing artificial intelligence tools and got 234,000 views in just 7 days. This kind of videos are easy to get traction because when you add a number in the title, people want to watch more. And artificial intelligence tools is a hot topic. So this video is ready to go viral. They simply showed each tool, used them in the video, left their review, and dropped their affiliate link in the description. When viewers click these links and purchase from these links, the video creator earns affiliate commissions. We also do affiliate marketing, but our system is simpler, easier, and beginner friendly. And the best part is 95% done for you. And we earn $1,000 to $5,000 affiliate commissions per sale. To learn more about our system, check the instruction in the bio. And we use our own artificial intelligence software. It's called Epic. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. And let me quickly show you how to just upload a file, a text file, and make a video just like. So let's say you have a story or a script for your video written in a text file, and the text file is saved in your hard drive. Yes, by the way, Epic helps you make videos using image and text. Epic turns text into natural sounding voiceover. Epic writes this script using artificial intelligence. Everything is included inside Epic, and Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now you don't have any section, but in 1 second there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button. Then click choose file, and I will choose the Squid Game story. Because today's video is about Squid Game story. Stay tuned. I will show you clicks, customers, and money. So I will select this file and click open and then click submit. And in a matter of seconds, on the right hand side, you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Now you can just copy this text, come here and copy this text, go to the audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover file, super awesome. Or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section, click the add button, put your text here, give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just one click, the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, I would like to ask the editor to download this file from here, from this project, and play when I play. Play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game: intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can pause it, I can just click add, and immediately it's added to this slide. Now I can add any image from my library just in one click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another site. So copy image, and I will click here, paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library just in one click. I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready in the background. This is how we make videos for 20+ channels using complete beginner assistance, or maybe my kids and sometimes myself, without using expensive softwares, experienced editors, special effects, or anything at all. So our videos are story-based, informative, educational, but it takes only a few minutes to build. That gets us thousands of clicks. Since morning I've been doing one thing: scrolling my phone on Facebook, watching other people's stuff, having fun, watching videos. And how much money did I make scrolling my phone? Zero. But how much money did I make in reality? This is today, this is yesterday, this month, and last month. There is no magic and no push button and no shortcut. But yes, we have a system in place. The system is called affiliate marketing, and it's 95% done for you. And to learn more about how we do it, check the instruction in the bio or in the first. Let's make $1,000 a day. But before that, let's make a free website with a free domain. Step number 1, go to this website moshbari.tk. Look for your chosen keyword, click search availability, and you will find all these extensions free. So for me, it's moshbari.tk is free. Click this button to get this domain. Then go to sites.google.com and create a site either from blank or from a template. You can finish your website later, but before that, go to publish and click this manage link under custom domain. Then click this button and go step by step, set up your free website with a free domain. Will a domain like this and a website like this make money? The answer is yes. But to earn $1,000 to $5,000 in affiliate commissions per sale, just like us, you need to do a little different than this. It should be simpler, easier, beginner friendly, and our system is 95% done for you. To learn more about our system of affiliate marketing, check the instructions in the bio and in the first. Here is an easy way to earn $1,000 a day. This video is about 5 mind-blowing artificial intelligence tools. 2 things to take notice here. When they're talking about 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, audience are more interested to watch that video because they always want to watch what's coming next. And second, artificial intelligence tools are hot now. So making this video right now was a smart choice. Now it's not that hard to talk about 5 tools in just 10 minutes, which is around 2 minutes per tool. They simply logged in, used the tools, showed how they work, left a review, and dropped their affiliate links in the description of the video. Viewers find those links, click and buy from them. They earn affiliate commission. This is exactly what we do to earn $1,000 to $5,000 per sale in affiliate commissions, but we do it in a better, easier, simpler, and beginner-friendly system, which is 95% done for you. To learn more about our system, check the instruction in the bio. And everyone is talking about football, soccer, ice cream, videos, and since the morning, I have been scrolling my phone, checking other people's posts while my system is making money for me on complete autopilot. It's not a push button, no magic software. It's called affiliate marketing, and our system is 95% done for you. To know more about our system, check the instructions in the bio and in the first comment. Let's earn $1,000 to $2,000 in affiliate commissions per sale. But before that, here is another way to earn money. These people at Upwork charge $65 per hour, $250 per hour, $40 per hour, $60 per hour writing resumes for their clients. You can do it too. Step number 1, go and sign up for resume.io. Click this button, select from their ready-made, beautiful, professional templates. Step number 2, fill in the template with the information of your client. Step number 3, deliver and get paid. Another way to earn money from Resume is to promote resume.io as an affiliate, and when someone buys from your affiliate link, you will earn 30% commissions per sale. But unfortunately, these systems will not make you $1,000 per sale very easily because it takes a lot of time and a lot of work. And that's why we don't do freelancing, we do affiliate marketing and earn $1,000 to $5,000 per sale through a simple, beginner-friendly, and 95% done for you system. To learn more about our system, check the instruction in the bio. Let's earn $1,000 to $5,000 in affiliate commissions per sale. Before we go there, here is another trick to earn a lot of money. Resume writers at Upwork earn $65 per hour, $250 per hour, $40 per hour, and this guy has earned $0.3 million writing resumes for their clients. Step number 1, go to resume.io. Step number 2, select any of their beautiful templates. Step number 3, fill in the information of your client. Step number 4, deliver and get paid. Super simple, but it's not easy. These clients are professional and they want quality work. Another easier way is to earn affiliate commissions by promoting resume.io platform as an affiliate. You will earn 30% commissions per sale, but this will not make you $1,000 in affiliate commissions. And that's why we use a simpler, easier, beginner-friendly, and 95% done for you system to earn $1,000 to $5,000 per sale in affiliate commissions. To learn more about our system, check the instruction in the bio. Are you ready to earn $1,000 in affiliate commissions per sale? Today we're going to show you how easy it can be with the help of Refersion.com. Refersion.com is a website that allows you to earn affiliate commissions from hundreds of e-commerce brands. Signing up to this site is super simple. Go to this page and sign up using your information. Once you're approved, you can go to the marketplace and find offers that you like to promote. Then make simple TikTok videos, publish them on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Remember to include your link in the bio just like us so your visitors can buy. Free visitors will start coming in. Like this video got 153,000 views, this video got 24,000 views, this video got 253,000 views, and this one 87,000 views. When these visitors buy using your link, you will get paid affiliate commissions. But unfortunately, most of these products are low ticket products, so they pay low ticket affiliate commissions. So in this method, it's very hard to earn $1,000 per sale just like us. And that's why we don't promote e-commerce products. But don't worry, there is still a hope. You can earn high ticket commissions by promoting high ticket offers up to $1,000 to $5,000 per sale. And our system is 95% done for you, easy, simple, and beginner friendly. To learn more about our system, check the instructions in the bio, and let's earn $1,000 to $2,000 in affiliate commissions per sale just like us. But before that, do doctors in your country have terrible handwriting too? Let me know in the comment. But good news, Google is going to use AI to decipher hard to read handwritten medical prescriptions. Wow, and AI can make you a lot of money. Go to Upwork, search with write, and look for writers. And you will see people earn up to $70,000, $20,000, $60,000, $30,000, $100,000, and they charge up to $40, $50 per hour. Now go to any AI software like Jasper, use Jasper Chat and say anything you want. Write 5 steps to write an awesome content in persuasive tone and just click send. The AI is writing for you, and in a matter of seconds, the AI generated ideas to elaborate something and click enter, and it will do that for you. All these texts are proven to be 80% plus unique. Get hired on these platforms, write with AI, deliver to your client, and get paid. Sounds super simple, right? It is simple, but not easy, because if you don't have the writing skill, you will not be able to find mistakes of AI, and your clients will not pay that much. And that's why we don't do this type of tasks. We don't do freelancing, we do affiliate marketing, and we earn $1,000 to $2,000 per sale in affiliate commissions. It's easier, simpler, beginner friendly, and 95% done for you. To learn more about our system, check the instructions in the bio.